Okay. Let's pick detergents. Come on. Which one? Which color do you want? Yellow or pink or purple? Which one do you want? Which one? Purple. Thank you. Can you put it inside here, please? Thank you. And let's get bleach. Yeah. What's that? It's sponge. We already have sponge at home. We don't need sponge. Yeah, we don't need it.
Mom, it's for washing.
Yeah, it's for washing. You're right, Mama.
Yeah.
Yeah. Can you pick one of those cloths for me? One of these cloths? This one. What color do you pick for me? Purple? Everything you're picking is purple.
Purple here, Mommy.
Yeah.
Oh,
This one.
Mommy, it's up.
Yeah.
Oh,
Here you go.
thanks.
Thank you.
Mommy, what's next?
What next? Okay, what next? Let's go look for something else.
Yeah, Mommy, mosquito.
Well, we already have this at home. We already have. Which one do we use? We use the Sniper brand. We already have that one.
Mommy, mosquito.
I agree. Mosquitoes, very terrible insects. I
Mommy,
know.
I had that one.
We have that one at home already. We have the big one. This giant one.
Yeah,
Yeah, let's go get your toothpaste.
my toothpaste. It's dirty.
Your tooth. Where is?
Oh, my tooth.
Okay, see your toothpaste here. See your toothpaste over there.
My
Get
tooth.
one. No, not that one. See your toothpaste. Good.
Mommy, where's
Yeah.
my brush?
You already have a brush at home now. Two of this. Pick the colors you want.
Green.
Green. And which one again?
Pink.
And pink. Alright, can you put it in there? Thank you.
Ducky.
That's really cute, right? So
Yeah.
which one? There's also a dog.
Dog.
And there's this one too.
Huh?
So which one do you want? You have to pick only one. But I think I like this one. I think I like the dog.
Dog.
You like that one?
Yes.
Alright, let's go with that one. That one.
1, 2.
Yeah.
Mommy, it has
Put it inside. Thank you.
I'm trying my best, but I don't know how to solve them. I don't know what to do. I need some time on my own to figure out what I want. 'Cause baby, right now I don't know. Feels like I'm riding solo. You got me thinking about all of the problems in us. I know it's sad, but we both know. Maybe it's time that I let you go. Trying to move on, looking for someone, but I keep thinking about you.
Is it thumb, right? Okay.
It's not
See,
injection.
for her, I just keep my hand like this. Are you see what she's doing? I just keep her like.
Show auntie your hand.
See, very fine.
See,
Wow.
it's not injection.
Sorry.
It's not injection. It's not. It's not, man.
Thank God it's not even enough for him, maybe.
No.
See? Okay, I'm not-
It's okay, Mimi. Just hold my hands, okay?
Sorry.
Sorry.
Sorry. I'll not do it again. That's all. Finish. Finish. See, that's all, Mama. Sorry. It's finished.
using it.
Finish, see? Finish. Mama. Sorry. No. Sorry. What are you doing now? Sorry. It's okay.
We're done. We can go and play now. Can we go and play now?
How are you? Mama, how are you now?
Fine.
Are you ready to go to the salon?
Yes.
Yes, look at your hair, Mama. Your hair is so dry. You want to what?
Perfume.
You want to spray perfume? Your younger is too much. Your younger is too much for a 3-year-old. Come on, show me the perfume now. She says, you're even thinking about the one you want to use.
One.
That one, the body spray.
Yes.
Okay. This is Japanese cherry blossom from Bath and Body Works.
Do.
You want to do it by yourself? Oh, sorry, ma. I'm very sorry. You guys should see. See Yanga at 3 years old. Look at all this Yanga. All this plenty Yanga. We are rubbing together.
Now I'm ready to salon.
Now you're ready for the salon. this girl that calls herself my daughter, her Yanga is too much at 3 years old.
Hi.
Okay, I'm coming. I need to take her to go and make her hair. Her hair has been like that in the States, you guys. See, my life has just been a roller coaster in the last couple of weeks. The last roughly about 2 weeks. Elisa left like 2 weeks ago or so. Yeah, she was not around for long, roughly about 10 days. She was around for like 10 days, but she'll be back next month, also coming back for some time as well. It's nothing permanent for now. She's just coming and going, and that works for me. Every other day I have somebody who comes to clean and wash for me. So yeah, I do most of the other things myself, but like 3 times a week I have somebody that stays with my parents that comes to clean and wash for me, and all that. So yeah, it's been a bit more stressful than I'm used to, but I'm winging it. At least I have help, 3 times a week to do certain things. So what can I say? I'm winging it. It's just the Mia Rose factor. When you want to go out or something, I always have to go and drop her at my parents' place or at my neighbor's place. It's been like this and like this. But to be honest, I'm not even hunting for a new help yet. I'm just enjoying my household without having a living help for now. Definitely I'm going to get somebody new, but it just hasn't happened yet, and I'm actually just not looking for anybody right now, to be honest. So anyways, let's go to the salon. Are you ready, baby?
Yes.
You ready? That's my key. All right, let's go.
We keep on telling lies. That is how we stay alive. So you know that I don't mind about what is wrong and what is right. We keep moving in different rhythms. Still I know what you feel. We keep moving in different rhythms. Two different minds telling lies. That's how we stay alive. At least we try to survive. That is how we stay.
Hi guys, good morning. Hope you guys are doing good. It's still morning though, and I'm still in my nightwear. You guys can see I really don't care. This is what happens in the mornings, okay? I lounge around in my nightwear until I take a shower. That's just me in the mornings. But this morning I was craving plantain and egg with custard. Like, I was craving it so much, so I made it. So fried plantain with just plain fried egg and then a bowl of custard. That's my breakfast for today. You guys would have seen earlier on that we took Mia to the hospital a few days back. She was down with malaria. Well, started by her running temperature for a few days, so I would just give her, you know, paracetamol or ibuprofen to just bring down her temperature. But after the symptoms persisted for 2-3 days, we knew we had to take her to the hospital to go and run a test. And in that clip, that was her getting a full blood count test done and a malaria parasite test done. And you guys know me, I was drama queen. I feel like for kids, this is even easier. The thumb thing is even easier to do than the whole vein thing. We have had her blood sample taken through the vein, and we know how traumatic that was for her. So I completely prefer this for kids, okay? But yeah, it turns out that she had malaria 1+. Yeah, 1+ of malaria. Everything else was great. According to the doctor, everything else was fantastic, but she had malaria 1+, so we had to treat her for that. She's back to her normal self. To be honest, even when she was having the malaria itself, Mia Rose was still her normal self. She was still jumping around, playing around, doing everything that she usually would do. The only thing was controlling temperature. That was it. So anyway, we have concluded the medication and she's doing great. She's also still very much on holiday because her school doesn't resume until 9th of May. Please let me know in the comment section down below if your kids in Nigeria are still staying home till 9th of May, because I know 1 or 2 schools that opened on Monday, and I'm not even understanding why Mia's school still has 2 weeks to go for the resume. I don't know what's going on, but it's more work for me and more wahala for me that she's not going to school. But anyway, that's that about that. Yes, talking about Mia Rose. In fact, this entire vlog was about Mia Rose because you guys saw her for the most part of this vlog. But talking about Mia Rose, she recently signed her first brand ambassadorship deal. I know, right, guys? Even me, that I'm the influencer extraordinaire in this house, I've not signed brand ambassadorship deal yet. I've been doing a lot of big partnerships and big collaborations and big campaigns, but actual brand ambassadorship, I never do them yet. But Mia Rose has just signed her first brand ambassadorship deal. It's a 3-month contract for starters. They just want to see, you know, what she can do in the next 3 months, and after that they will now seek to renew if all goes well. But I'm super excited for my daughter because it's like, wow, this 3-year-old is a brand ambassador for a brand right now. That's like crazy, you know. You guys will see more of that maybe in upcoming vlogs within the next 3 months. You guys will see the brand and all of that. But yeah, that's that about that. Mia has signed her first brand ambassadorship deal. I pray for many more for her and for us in general as a family, you know. Anyway, that's that about that. Hope you guys enjoyed watching today's vlog. Let me settle down and eat my food properly. Hope you guys enjoyed watching today's vlog. Let me know in the comments if you enjoyed watching. Subscribe, thumbs up, share. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Still I know what you feel.